What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Steven here with my first YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a maintenance wash and detail on my 2017 F-150. I will be showing y'all the different products that I use along with the different techniques and just general knowledge on how to do a maintenance detail. It's been about a good 3 weeks to a month. I've been really busy, so I haven't had time to wash my own rig, but I finally have time today, and it's pretty filthy, so I was like, why not just make a video and show it to y'all. Stay tuned, and I hope y'all enjoy this video. Thank you. I got the trailer connected. I'm just gonna drop it off in the front yard real quick. That way I can go ahead and have all the products and everything else that I need. All right, so I have my trailer parked in the front now. I can go ahead and get started. So the products that I'll be using today are Chemical Guys Citrus Washing Cloths, Chemical Guys VRP, Meguiar's All-Purpose Cleaner, Meguiar's Express Spray Wax, and Meguiar's Super Degreaser for the wheels. The best part about this product in particular is that it's synthetic, so it dries up clear. You can get it on your trim, get on the paint, get on the glass. It's not gonna mess anything up. Not only am I drying the surface faster and more efficient, it's also leaving behind a better shine and protection. So before I get into any of the labor part of the maintenance wash and detail, I wanted to go ahead and give y'all a walk around my truck so I can show you how filthy it really is. So now you've gotten the walk around in my truck, I'm just gonna pull my truck up into the shade. That way I won't be so hot out here. So the first thing that I would recommend is, if you can find a shaded area, find it. Fortunately, my truck doesn't fit all the way underneath the carport because we have about 2 other cars in there. But the front end is underneath the shade. I personally like to do the interiors first, just to get the hard part out of the way. That, and it's also really hot outside. I got the AC going because it's my truck, so I'm not worried about wasting gas or anything like that. So I want to stay cool. I'm already starting this interior detail. Really, all I'm doing right now is just getting rid of any of the trash and just emptying out the truck in general. All right. Now that I have already taken out all the trash out of the interior, I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning off all the plastics, cup holders, etc. And the product I'll be using for that is the Meguiar's All-Purpose Cleaner with 2 yellow microfiber towels. Color is just preference, really, and an interior detailing brush. I like to keep the floor mats inside the interior whenever I'm doing my interior details, just because I do the vacuuming very last and I don't want any extra dirt put on my carpet. Let's go ahead and get into it.
guys, I just finished the interior for my truck. What I'm going to do next is show y'all everything that I use for the exterior, meaning products, tools, and techniques. I'm going to start off with the wheels, and then I'm going to work on the paint. I do have my foam cannon, 3 buckets, and well, let me just go ahead and show you. Alright, so these are all the different tools that I'm going to be using. Over here, I got my wheel bucket. That is the Chemical Guys Cyclone Dirt Trap, as well as some brushes I got from them as well. That's the Easy Detail Brush, I think that's what it's called. I'll link that in the description down below. That's just meant for the wheel wells. Okay, so right here I have my rinse bucket and my wash bucket. This one's red, this one's blue, so I don't get them confused. I will be using Chemical Guys' Citrus Washing Gloss for my exterior of the paint. I do also have a foam cannon here, and that's not anything from Chemical Guys, it's just the $20 one that I got off Amazon. So let's go ahead and fill these buckets up and we can go ahead and get started in the exterior. Alright y'all, so we finished the exterior, finished the interior, we did the hand wash, did everything. Now I'm just going to put those floor mats back in my truck, then I'm going to pull my truck out, that way y'all can see the result.
Well guys, this was the end result of the maintenance wash and detail on my 2017 F-150. I hope y'all enjoyed it and or found it helpful in some way. Everything that I use will be linked in the description down below. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. I'll be sure to answer them to the best of my knowledge. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I have a lot more content like this as well as some different stuff coming soon. So please hit that red subscribe button before you go. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.